Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am Tierra Sade and today we will be recreating the acrylic dirty pour. Okay, now right into the video. These are the materials that I use. I use different color acrylic paint, resin, plastic cups, paintbrush, canvas, and plastic bags. Now, you don't have to use the red plastic cups. You can use the clear plastic cups. Those are the cups that I had. So those are the cups that I use. This paint is something that I also had as well. I just got the different paints and started pouring them into the cups. I used about 6 different colors. And then I added about a teaspoon of water into each cup. And then I mixed it very well. Now you don't want to put too much water because you don't want runny paint. Now this is the consistency that it should be. Right now I took 2 different cups and made dirty pours. I used the same paint in each cup. I poured the paint in the cup in the same order in both cups, and then I just put my desired amount into the cups. Now I did have to go back and pour again on the edges, so the more the better, because I actually didn't make enough, so I had to end up going back and making another pour with the cup. So yeah, make sure you put enough of paint in the cups to fill the canvas. So once it's all done, I just bloop, bloop, flip it over, and then I tap the top of the cup just to make sure all the paint runs down. Give it a little smush, spin it around, pull it up, and this is the outcome. So freaking cute, you guys. Just wait till the end. It's my favorite part. That right there, favorite part. Okay, unfortunately guys, I didn't have the camera angled I'm sorry. I didn't have the camera angled correctly, so I really couldn't show you guys the footage where I turned the canvas to get the paint to run down on each side, but I promise it is very simple. It's nothing you have to go to school for. It's very simple. All you have to do is pivot and turn your canvas in different directions, just so the paint can cover the canvas. Now sometimes the paint, it doesn't want to run over the end, but that's okay. As you can tell in the video, I started to take my finger and just go right along the sides of the canvas to make the paint cover that portion of the canvas that wasn't getting covered. I hope you understand, but so yeah, I'm just turning the canvas, making sure that I cover the sides. Look at it, it's turning out beautiful already. Those were the perfect colors. I honestly don't even know what I'm going to do with this canvas. I think I'm going to put it in my computer room, over my computer desk. I'm not sure. It was just a video, because I love the colors and this is something that I wanted to recreate. I had seen a video and I was like, I have to recreate that, and yeah, so just finished turning it. As you can see here, barely, I'm dabbing the canvas to make sure that it actually covers everything that needs to be covered.
I'm taking these two and I'm placing them into my cup. Just one picture. We just need like a small coat, not nothing too extravagant.
So once you have poured an even amount of both in the bottle, it should give you directions when you buy the resin of how much to pour and exactly what to do to make the resin turn out right. But once you have poured the same exact amount of both in the cup, go ahead and mix. And I mixed for about 3 minutes. I just sped the video up so I wouldn't bore you guys to death. But make sure, it is very important that you mix that resin up. Once you have your resin all mixed up and it's the perfect consistency, you can go ahead and start to pour your resin on your canvas. Now, make sure that you actually make enough of the resin. You don't want to end up running out of resin, because resin it gets dry pretty fast and sticky, so you don't want the resin to dry on the canvas and the whole canvas is not covered with resin, because I don't know, I think it's just a pure disaster. We don't even want to imagine how that would turn out. So it's better to make more than less, because you can always reuse or throw the rest of the resin away. Now, same thing as I did when I did the dirty pour. I made sure that all of the resin covered the canvas, because you did have some of those spots on the canvas that just didn't want to cover, so I had to force it to cover. So once you're all done, make sure it's leveled out, and as you can see, I'm coming back to check the sides again just to make sure that there's that resin all over the canvas. As you can see, this canvas turned out so pretty. You can see every detail, every color, even the gold, and I think that's what got me, This is the finished product after it is all done, the beautiful acrylic dirty pour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.